everyone, and today we are going to draw Watercolor's Chameleon. So first, draw the head here and the cover and down. And a curve here. And from here, go like this, and go here again. And draw the eye here, and here, and the curve here. Then draw the capture lights here and the pupil. Then colour in the pupil. Then draw its skin here. And then draw the mouth here and draw the back here and the tail. And go a curve here. And the other arm here. And draw these spikes on its back. And from here, draw the scales. And after, at the body, here, draw the patterns on him. And as you get more to the tail, the circles get smaller, and then there will only be lines left. And then on the body, draw some big ovals for the scales. The circles, do it a bit harder. And as you get to the tail, it gets lighter there, and because it's just like that, it needs a branch. Draw the branch here. Well done, you finished sketching. So first, start with your thin paintbrush. Then get this type of green. Just gonna put some more water to the scales on the chameleon, but not all. There are lots of different types of colours. And then with orange, go here and do some of the scales. And from here, add some brown, add peach, and colour in the eye. Get your black. Let's do turquoise. And from here, do some more scales and to leave some behind again for other scales. And then here, colour in the scales. Get your red and from here to these bits of the chameleon. I think we forgot this part of the chameleon in this colour. Wait, I need orange for these spikes. Get your brown and colour in the branch. Get your thick brush. So with these three, flip them over, not on the dark side but on the light side, so you can see the veins. With the acrylics, paint the back. Gently push it down. And with the background, I'll do yellow. And finished. Well done, you finished your chameleon. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!